The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Best Reviews. Wintry conditions can make roadways difficult to maneuver, and you want to make sure you're prepared before you're unexpectedly in need of help. Jessica Wills and Rachel Moore are standing by with top products for your roadside emergency kit from consumer resource Best Reviews.
It's important to make sure you're prepared for those long road trips home.
Joining us now with the top tested products for your roadside safety is Senior Director of Content Operations from bestreviews.com, Jacob Palmer. Hi, Jacob.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Hey.
You know, a lot of the times we're talking about really fun stuff. Another way to kind of give yourself peace of mind, because these are really important things.
So I appreciate you thinking of everyone's safety, Jacob. Let's start right here. What did you bring us?
So this is a dash cam that you can get from Amazon. We love to recommend these for super small profiles so they won't take up too much space. They're very easy to set up as well.
Yes, very true. All right. And if something does happen, oftentimes you have to pull over. You got to figure it out on the side of the road. When you're pulled over, you want to make sure that you're safe out there and not attracting any other cars towards you. So what are these going to do for that?
You know, if people are driving fast, if it's a darker roadway, that they're able to see you, and having the old kind of road flares that folks used to keep around, it's not as practical as it once was. And these are kind of a newer twist on it. They're LED road flares. And what's great about them is that they have that same visibility, but they're also super easy to work. All you do is press a button on it. It's basically like a flashlight, and it gives you a bunch of different options on how it's going to flash or how it's going to be strobe.
These are all really small and compact. I really appreciate that, because you do want that trunk space. This is small as well. What is this going to do?
So this is like for the absolute worst case scenario. Then it comes to us from Amazon Basics, so you know it's going to be super affordable. It's a very simple tool. On one side of it, it will allow you to cut yourself out of your seatbelt, and on the other side of it, you can break through the window so you're able to escape. That moment come, you'll be very happy, and your loved ones will be happy as well that you're able to have that on you. So what we have next is this trencher tool right here, which it folds down and it can have a super small profile. Again, I think the theme is emerging here. But so you can have a super small profile, but it's going to help you in a bunch of different scenarios. You know, if you're going out to the mountain, this will make sure that you're able to, get yourself out of a small snow situation, anything like that.
There's one thing you take away from the table. It's probably this next thing, which is an emergency kit. I feel like we all should have this in our car. Explain to me just a little bit more about that.
And this isn't just for your car either. I mean, this is one of those things where it only costs you, $10, $20 to get one of these. You could have it in your car. You should have one in your office. You should definitely have one at home. It is the new approach in the first aid kit nowadays, where you've got it set up so you've got the clear, so you can always, in an emergency situation, you want to be able to think fast. You want to be able to move faster. And so this will allow you to do that. You want to be able to make sure that you've got all of the answers no matter what happens. This is the perfect place to start.
All right, wonderful. And being broken down, Jess, I don't know if it's ever happened to you. Maybe you left your lights on, whatever happened. It is the worst feeling when you have to call someone and try to figure it out, but you can prepare yourself for moments like this. What have we got next to help with that?
And especially when it's late at night, you don't really want to be approaching people in the same way that you would during the day. And so this allows you to be self-sufficient. It comes to us from Zeus, and it is an automatic car starter. It's great because it's super helpful in all kinds of emergencies, whether it's you need your car to start up, or also, people really rely on their electronics nowadays. This will help you be able to charge up your phone if you need to be able to use that for GPS. Again, late night, just kind of a safety thing that you want to be able to make sure that you're on top of.
Jacob, thank you. All these products are going to bring peace of mind and be so helpful in the event someone needs them. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Best Reviews is owned by our parent company, Nexstar. And for more on these products and others, you can head to bestreviews.com, or you can scan the QR code that you see right there on your screen.
You can find more on these products and where to buy them by going to our website, kxan.com, and searching for Best Reviews. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Best Reviews, which is owned by our parent company, Nexstar.